IVR routing menus are created to allow the customers of the company to select the topic of the call as precise as possible. That saves both the caller's time and the company's resources used to identify the reason of the customer's call before diverting it to the responsible employee or the employee department. It is recommended to draw the structure of all the prompts and keys to be pressed by the customer when dialing to the phone number when creating the interactive voice response prompts. Also, you need to create the audio prompts that can be done under Audio Prompt. To create a high-quality audio prompts, it is recommended to record them in the recording studio. The functionality of the interactive voice response allows to create the 3-level IVR prompt menu. For example, the language of the conversation, primary topic, and the secondary topic of the conversation. The sample of the interactive voice response creation. This is a sample 2-level interactive voice response for the company that provides the car sales and maintenance. First level of the IVR menu is the choice between car maintenance and spare parts and car sales. And the second level allows the choice between car maintenance and spare parts. This kind of menu is created because the company has different people or departments responsible for these topics. To create the setup, select the greeting, for example, "Hello, you have called the company name. Please select the topic 1. Car maintenance and spare parts. 2. Car sales." If the prompt has not been created in advance, it can be created by selecting Record New. The detailed information on the attachment of the audio files and recordings you can find under Audio Prompt. Enter the name for the menu option, for example, Car maintenance and spare parts. When the name is entered, press +add digit and select what digit must be pressed by the caller to confirm the choice. The digit must match the digit that is mentioned in the recording of the greeting. Create the second menu option, name it Car Sales, and press +add digit. This option will be with a digit 2. When the first IVR level is created, you can describe the second IVR level in details. From our example, the second level offers to the customer a choice between car maintenance 1 and digit number 2, spare parts. Select the route type IVR routing. Add new prompt that the customer will hear on the next level. Enter the name of the IVR menu option, car maintenance, and select +add digit the customer will press to confirm the action. After the creation of the second level IVR, the name will be #1, #1, car maintenance. Create the second part of the IVR structure, spare parts, and select +add digit. It will be option number 2 for this case. When all of the IVR levels are defined, identify the recipients of the calls for each of the IVR levels created. In our example, the recipient of the car maintenance call is the employee group Maintenance. For the spare parts section, call recipient is Employee, and if the calls are not answered in 30 seconds, the caller is prompted to leave the voicemail message. This is the way all of the IVR options should be described. When all the routes will be described, the red frame of the configuration field will disappear. That will mean that all the configuration sections are completed. The voice prompts are played 3 times in a row. In case the caller still has not made the choice, the incoming call is routed according to the predefined route. This route has to be defined in the system. Select Fallback to Administrator. Press the Inactive button and define the recipient of the incoming calls. Direct Employee, Employee Group, Voicemail, or Direct Number. Press Save after the selection. Adding the working hours to already defined call route is done after the call route is defined. To do this, you need to press Convert to Time-Based Routing. See the details under Time-Based Routing. After the selection of the call route, make a test call to make sure that the call routing is correctly defined.